Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing the Security Notice Detected error on your Gcash app. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The absolute most common reason Gcash blocks your access with this specific security warning is because your phone's developer options are currently turned on, so let's quickly disable them. First, open up your phone's main Settings app and scroll all the way down to the very bottom until you see a menu labeled either System or About Phone. Next, look for Developer Options on that list, tap to open it, and simply toggle the main switch at the very top of the screen to the off position. If you don't actually see developer options listed anywhere in your settings, it means they are already disabled, and you can skip right to the next step. Gcash has extremely strict security measures in place to protect your money, which means the app will instantly lock you out if it detects any screen overlays, auto-clickers, or unverified apps running in the background. Go ahead and check your phone's app drawer and permanently uninstall any auto-clicker apps, third-party screen recorders, or any apps you downloaded from outside the official Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Next, head back into your phone's settings, tap on Apps or App Management, and look for a special access menu, often labeled Display over Other Apps or Draw over Other Apps. Finally, scroll through that specific list and toggle off the permission for absolutely any app that you don't recognize or need running directly over your screen. If you have turned off developer mode and removed any suspicious overlay apps, but are still getting the error message, we just need to give the Gcash app itself a quick refresh to clear out the old data. First, open up your App Store, tap on the search bar, look for Gcash, and tap the Update button to guarantee you are running the newest, most secure version of the app. Once the app is fully updated, jump back into your phone's settings, tap on Apps, and find Gcash in your master list of installed applications. Simply tap on the Storage option, hit the Clear Cache button to wipe away any corrupted temporary files, and then relaunch your Gcash app to safely log in without any more errors. And that's it. You now know how to fix the Security Notice Detected error on Gcash. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.